Right, so I soldered this broken wire, and then got some heat shrink insulation. I actually put that on there first, and then fixed the crimp. Well, essentially, there's no fixing the crimp. It was crimped down, but not crimped down properly in the wire. I was able to slip the wire back into the crimp, and then I soldered the wire to the crimp itself. Slid heat shrink up on top of it to go ahead and insulate it, protect it, and then connected it. That's all connected back up, and I removed the module. So this is the module right here, pulled out, and if we look in here closely, you can see that this appears to be an SCR, and it looks like that it was. You can see the black on it. It was definitely zapped, and there's a chunk taken out of it. So this is the module I think I need here. Other than that, I mean, everything else, other than being a little dusty and dirty, I think everything's all right. Okay, there we are.